Welcome to the game of wealth. It's a mindset where strategy, hard work, and smart decisions lead you to success. Get ready, because only those who think big will win. Imagine if money worked like a video game. What if you could level up your income, and those who understand the rules always come out on top? Most people play on hard mode, struggling with debt, low income, and poor financial choices. But the wealthy? In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate cheat codes to mastering the money game, so you can stop grinding for pennies and start playing to win. Let's dive in. Part 1. Master the game mechanics. Understand how money works. Every game has rules, and money is no different. To win, you first need to understand the mechanics. How money flows, grows, and compounds. Most people exchange time for money, but the wealthy use assets, investments, and businesses to multiply their income without working harder. Learn about cash flow, passive income, and the power of investing so you're not stuck in the cycle of working just to pay bills. Once you understand the rules of the game, you can start using them to your advantage. Part 2. Choose the right character. Your money mindset matters. In every game, the character you choose determines your abilities and strengths. In real life, your financial mindset plays that role. If you believe that money is hard to earn or that rich people are just lucky, you're already playing at a disadvantage. The wealthy have a growth mindset. They see opportunities, take calculated risks, and constantly learn. Upgrade your mindset by surrounding yourself with successful people, reading finance books, and learning how the rich think. Change your mindset, and you'll change your financial reality. Part 3. Unlock the power UPS. Increase your income. In video games, power-ups give you an advantage. In real life, income streams are your power-ups. Instead of relying on one paycheck, create multiple income sources like side hustles, freelancing, online businesses, or investing. The more income streams you have, the easier it is to progress in the game. Wealthy people never rely on just one source of money. They diversify, automate, and scale their earnings. If you're stuck on level 1, it's time to activate your financial power-ups and boost your income. Part 4. Avoid the traps. Stop wasting money. In both games and life, there are traps designed to hold you back and prevent progress. And when it comes to your finances, those traps often manifest as bad financial habits that keep you stuck in a cycle of debt and poor money management. Just as in a game where pitfalls like falling into a trap or wasting valuable resources slow down your progress, in real life, credit card debt, impulse spending, and living beyond your means can prevent you from moving forward and achieving financial freedom. These habits often cause people to remain stagnant at the same financial level for years, constantly battling interest rates, late fees, and the stress of not having enough savings. The wealthy, however, know how to avoid these traps by practicing the discipline of living below their means, making wise investments, and using debt strategically, such as leveraging low-interest loans for investments that generate passive income, rather than accumulating high-interest credit card debt that only drains their resources. Part 5. Collect coins wisely. Save and invest smartly. In every game, you collect coins to buy upgrades. But smart players don't waste their coins on useless gear. They invest in the best tools to win. In real life, saving money isn't enough. You need to invest it to make it grow. Put your money into stocks, real estate, index funds, or businesses so it multiplies over time. Think of your money as soldiers working for you. The more you deploy them in the right places, the faster they bring back reinforcements. Part 6. Upgrade your skills. Learn high-income skills. Would you play a game without upgrading your character skills? Of course not. In a money game, high-income skills are what help you level up faster. Skills like coding, sales, marketing, investing, and entrepreneurship can dramatically increase your earning potential. Instead of working harder, work smarter by learning skills that allow you to charge more for your time or build wealth passively. Invest in yourself, and you'll start earning like the top players. Part 7. Build alliances, network with winners. Building alliances and surrounding yourself with successful, like-minded individuals is a powerful strategy that can accelerate your financial growth and personal development, just as teaming up with skilled players in multiplayer games helps you progress faster. In the world of money and business, the saying, "your network is your net worth," holds true, as the right connections can provide you with invaluable knowledge, resources, and opportunities that would be difficult to obtain on your own. Networking with winners, those who have already achieved success in areas you aspire to excel in, allows you to learn from their experiences, avoid common pitfalls, and adopt proven strategies that have worked for them. Whether it's mentorship, collaboration, or simply being part of a supportive community, building alliances can inspire you to aim higher and push beyond your perceived limitations. Part 8. Play the long game. Patience and consistency win. No video game is won in one move. Winning takes strategy, patience, and persistence. Wealth building is no different. Most people want instant results, but the richest players know that compounding wealth takes time. Stay consistent with your investments, keep improving your skills, and trust the process. The longer you stay in the game, the bigger the rewards you'll unlock. Part 9. Automate your wins. Make money work for you. Automating your finances is like setting up a winning strategy in a game that continues to deliver results even when you're not actively playing. By implementing automatic systems for saving, investing, and generating passive income, you ensure that your wealth continues to grow with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. Just as gamers use automated strategies to optimize their performance, automating your financial processes allows you to stay consistent and disciplined, which is crucial for long-term success. Start by setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts each month, ensuring that a portion of your income is consistently directed toward building your financial future before you have a chance to spend it. This pay-yourself-first approach makes saving and investing a priority rather than an afterthought. Part 10. Beat the final boss. Achieve financial freedom. In every game, there comes a moment when you face the final boss, the ultimate challenge that requires all your skills and strategies to overcome. In the real-world money game, that final boss is financial freedom, the ability to live life on your own terms without the constant worry of money. For most people, financial freedom means having enough passive income, investments, and assets to support their lifestyle without needing to work for a paycheck. The wealthy understand that the ultimate goal isn't just to accumulate wealth for wealth's sake, but to gain the freedom to do what they love, when they want, and with whom they want. Financial freedom allows you to choose how you spend your time, whether that's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or spending quality time with family and friends, without being tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job or constant financial pressure. Conclusion: the truth is, money is just a game, and most people never take the time to learn the rules. But now you have the cheat codes. You know how to level up your income, avoid financial traps, and build wealth like the pros. It's time to stop playing on hard mode and start winning. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button for more money hacks and wealth building strategies. Let's keep leveling up together.